Fellow engineers, let's talk about the Bug Rivet Paradox Interactive Calculator. This tool solves a critical problem we face when designing riveted joints under eccentric loading conditions. When loads aren't perfectly aligned with the rivet group centroid, we get complex stress distributions that can lead to premature failure if not properly analyzed. The calculator has 5 main input fields. First is the applied load magnitude, typically ranging from 500 to 50,000 pounds depending on your application. Next is the load eccentricity distance, measuring how far your load acts from the rivet group centroid, usually between 1 and 24 inches. Third is the rivet diameter, commonly 1/4 inch to 1 inch for structural applications. Fourth is the number of rivets in your pattern, anywhere from 2 to 20 depending on joint requirements. The drop-down menu offers 3 calculation modes: elastic analysis, ultimate strength, and fatigue life. Today we'll demonstrate elastic analysis mode. Let's work through a real example. We're designing a bracket connection with a 5,000-pound load acting 6 inches from the centroid. We're using 1/2-inch diameter rivets in a rectangular pattern of 8 rivets. Enter 5,000 for load, 6 for eccentricity, 0.5 for diameter, and 8 for rivet count. Hit calculate. The results show our critical rivet experiences 1,875 pounds of shear force, and our maximum stress is 9,550 psi. These outputs tell you whether your most highly loaded rivet meets allowable stress limits and helps optimize your rivet pattern to minimize peak stresses while maintaining safety factors. Remember, always account for dynamic load factors in vibration-prone applications. Find the link in the description below